Ahoy! I'm on a location here with my friend Martina.
Ahoy!
And today I'm gonna be shooting portrait session, like a live portrait session, just with a smartphone. First, I'm gonna try to shoot like a beginner. So I'm gonna make a whole bunch of mistakes, the type of photos you see on all kinds of smartphones, and I'm gonna explain what I did wrong, what the mistakes were, and then I'm gonna shoot it all over again. I'm gonna fix the composition, I'm gonna show you my settings, I'm gonna explain what to do, what not to do, framing, posing model, you name it. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We should start going. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Zdenka. Darula. If your passion is photography and video, consider subscribing to this channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some photos, beginner style. I'm just gonna shoot with whatever lens I have right now set up, so I can have you here if you don't mind. And yeah, I'm just gonna tap away, take a few photos right there, and yeah, this, and maybe I like even this thing right there. Yeah, that should be good. So let's look at these photos and I'm gonna explain what was wrong with them. The first photo is here and I actually took it with ultra wide angle lens. Now that's mistake number one. You need to select the right lens. You don't want to shoot with ultra wide angle lens because the person will not look exactly the way we normally see a person. The legs might be a little bit big, or they might be short, or the body might be a little bit short, the head will be big and all that. It's gonna be very distorted. Another shot I have here is at the wrong eye level. I took it from above and also with the ultra wide angle lens, which you don't want. The legs just don't look very good. And this photo I'm seeing the whole framing is all wrong. Okay, this was already taken with standard lens, which is a little bit better, but she's standing on the side. There's way too much room on the other side. And also there's this pole sticking out of her head behind her. It's just very bad framing. It should be cropped much closer. She should be more center. Okay, let's do it all over again, but this time a little bit differently. What I have to say first, that each photographer has a little bit different style. We all have different preferences and such. So it is a good idea to watch a few different photographers and you can pick bits and pieces from them and create your own style so it works for you. Martina is backing up on the container. What you want to take advantage is also the foreground. So I'm focusing on her face, but I'm very close to the wall. That way I'm getting this very blurry and she's nicely sharp. So can you lift that leg up, please? Just like you have it before. And because I was a little bit too high, it was not looking that great. So I'm gonna go much lower. Can you switch the legs just for fun, please? And the same thing, looking forward. And look at me now. Perfect. Look a little bit here. There's people in the background, but magic shot, Photoshop. I'll fix it up. And maybe put both arms up, please. Both arms. Yep, that's great. And big laugh now. Huge. A lot of smiling. Depending on the phone you have, I have here iPhone 12 Pro. You might want to select the right lens. I have three lenses. I have ultra wide angle lens, wide, which would be the standard, and telephoto. Whenever you're taking portrait of a person, you want to shoot with telephoto lens in a native camera app or in a portrait mode. In portrait mode, you're gonna get this beautiful blurry background. If you shoot just with a telephoto in a regular photo mode, then you will get the background sharp as well. And at this point, you will be ready to shoot. For me, I'm gonna take it a little bit step further. I'm gonna be actually using this Moment lens. It's a 58mm tele lens. I bought it last week. It's heavy, it's solid, you can break a window with it. And what it basically does, you can mount it over the wide lens or the standard lens or the telephoto lens. It's gonna give you a look like you would be taking the photos with DSLR, like with a real camera. So let me show you how you put that lens on. Basically, all you have to do, you have to line up this little line on the top of the phone right here and then turn. Once you see the M sign at the top, you are all set. You can mount it over the standard lens, which is on the top, or the telephoto, which is at the bottom. So I'm gonna show you some comparison shots. Just shot the regular standard lens and then with the tele lens on top of it, and then another shot I'm gonna show you just with a telephoto lens on this phone without this lens. And then obviously the combo, this tele lens on top of the telephoto lens. Make sense? So for those who don't have this lens, you're just shooting with your phone, you're gonna be using the native camera app. I'm gonna be actually shooting in the Moment app, which comes with this lens. The reason why, because at the top here it says RAW. That means that the photos are being saved in RAW format, not in JPEG. That way, there's a lot more data and I can work with it much better if I'm gonna be editing it in Photoshop and Lightroom. So I'll show you how it works. I'm going to tap on Martina's face here and just taking the photos as I would. What I found here on the top, that there's little screws which are kind of like a line. So she's gonna pretend she's walking on that line towards me. I basically like this structure. So for this shot, I'm not gonna do exactly portrait. I'm gonna take pretty much photos showing the whole thing. She's gonna be in the middle a little bit smaller to get the variety. We had 3/4 shot when I was taking photos from Denise's app. Now I want to do some full body shots, but I'm gonna show a little bit the location first. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try a few shots. First, I'm gonna go very low. And yeah, you can go ahead and just have fun. Have your hands in the pockets, like really wide stand, and you really just look at me and flip the hair. And woof, that's it. Okay, that's it, yeah. And big laughter, so we'll do that as well. I'm gonna go low again because her background will be much clearer. Now that I'm not seeing too much trees behind her, basically from her waist up, I'm seeing the clouds. If I would be standing up, I'm gonna take the shot, it'll be very busy. Basically all we see is the green plants behind her body and the tree behind her head, and it's just way too busy. But if I'm gonna go down now, way lower, now it's a very clear shot. Okay, go ahead. 1, 2, 3. Let's talk about focus and exposure, meaning overexposed, underexposed, face being in focus, being sharp or not sharp at all. So every time you are taking a person's photo, you want to make sure you tap on the person's face. Eyes need to be in focus. And you will see the little square with the sun. That means that the face is in focus. Now, what I'm always finding with iPhones or in phones in general, but specifically with the iPhones, that the photos tend to be overexposed. So what I do, I tap on the person's face and I drag the sound tiny bit down. That way I can see that the sky is already getting all the details, and then I'm ready to take the shot. Then when I'm editing the photo in Snapseed, for example, on the phone, I can bring the dark of her face a little bit lighter, but I can still keep the sky fairly dark so I can see all the clouds and all the details. If I would leave it overexposed, you will see the sky very kind of bleached, kind of white, and it's not looking great. Sure, she has great, lit up face, but the sky will be bleached. It's not gonna look good. And all you have to do sometimes, take a few steps to the right and a few steps to the left, and you will get completely different view. So what happens if I'm gonna take photo right here, for example, so look in front of you somewhere. I like this view, so I'm gonna have you stand kind of with a wide stand more, and maybe one hand down, and just the other hand just like, that's it, and look over there. That's a great shot, right there. Just change my view, maybe the hand not so, yeah, more natural. And looking away, please. What a perfect timing. The sun came out. I just need to talk about the lighting right now. So There are a few ways to actually take photos of people, and you need to really watch out for the light. If you're gonna have her directly facing the light, you can see that she's squinting in her eyes and she's having a hard time. It's just she's fighting it. Also, bad variation would be if she would be standing right here. You can come here. And the sun is going from her side. So if I'm gonna take the shot, okay, face me completely. I wish the sun was a little bit stronger right now so I can show you more. We are having way too much of a good light right now, but basically if it would be full sunny day, the light would be coming from the side, so she would have very harsh shadows around her nose, under her eyes, and it would not look very good at all. So another solution would be to actually place her, you can be here, that she has her sun in her back and she's facing me. I'm looking into the sun. It's gonna look very good because she's not gonna be squinting as much anymore, but she's gonna get that little hair light. Try to do this shot. And look maybe over there. I want to talk about the background. As I was showing in the photo before, the pole sticking out of her head. You have to be a little bit picky when it comes to the background. It's not all about, hey, I'm seeing my friend, she looks good, I just want to make sure she's posed well. You have to kind of look a step further, look behind her. If there is not a tree trunk, or if there is not this pole or some kind of weird construction, or if some kind of a weirdo dude's there somewhere in the background, you know, doing something silly. So try to find a neutral background which looks kind of balanced and even. Plain background always looks way better. It's gonna look very clean. One of the most epic shots is always reflection. This wasn't here the other day, just show up here. So I'm gonna go as low to the water with the phone as I can without dropping the phone in the water. And Martina is standing on the other side. So looking on the lake. Good, and big steps walking here. If you want to take variety of photos of your friend, then if you're gonna take just one pose where she's standing looking into the camera, you're not gonna get too far. It is always good to mix different poses. She can be standing, she can be sideways, she can be looking over the shoulder, she can be crouching down, she can be sitting down somewhere on the floor, she can be even laying down. You can take photos from her up down, or you can take photos of her face, then from her waist up, from the knees up, 3/4 and full body. You have big variety right there. When it comes to expressions, make sure that she's not always looking the same, or he is not looking always the same way. You can make them smile, you can make them laugh, you can make them kind of dream, talk to them as they're some story, and they can get caught away, or ask them a question, and when they are thinking about the answer, you will get the true expression in their face. If I'm standing and just shooting this way, I see the rocks, but I also see a very busy background. I'm gonna take the shot on purpose. If I'm gonna move myself a little bit, so she has clear blue behind her, it's gonna look way better. I'm gonna go way lower to make her look big. Excellent, and both hands on the top. Lastly, talk to your model, talk to your friend. You don't want to be one of those photographers which just clicks. You will be a clicker, not a photographer. You want to talk to your models, you want to make them feel comfortable. But also, she has no idea what I'm seeing. She has no idea what I want from her. And if you're gonna be only clicking, for her it's very difficult to guess how to pose in front of the camera. She will feel a lot more comfortable if you sometimes say maybe just look a little bit to the side, or a little bit turn your body to the other side. She will get better understanding, she'll feel more comfortable because she will have that trust in you. If you're gonna be only clicking, then she's gonna be wondering the whole time, are these photos even good? Like, am I gonna get some good photos out of this? Because I have no idea what he sees there. For those interested, I have linked the lens below the video in the video description. Hit the thumbs up if you liked today's video and subscribe to future videos like these. If you have any questions, comments, simply want to say hi or ahoy, you know what to do. Leave it below and I'll see you, my friends, in the next video. Ciao, ahoy!
Ahoj.